Hello students, welcome back to our SST class, and today we are going to study about India and its physical features. Now India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh are separated from the rest of Asia by the Himalayan mountain ranges. Did you know that? And so that is the reason this region is called the Indian subcontinent. So, what is a subcontinent? A subcontinent is a big geographical unit which stands out distinctly from the rest of the continent. So, now today we are going to study about India, which is a very vast country and has great variety of physical features. So, broadly, we can divide it into the following four physical divisions, that is the northern mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateaus, and the coastal plains and the islands. Now students, do you want to study about the northern mountains? And can anybody tell me which is called the roof of the world? Exactly, Pamir Mount North, due to its great height, is known as the roof of the world. The Karakoram and the Himalayas are located along the northern frontier of India. These are the highest mountain ranges in the world, and we studied that these are also young fold mountains. The Karakoram mountain lies between Pamir and Indus River in Jammu Kashmir. Can anybody tell me which is the second highest mountain in the world and highest in India? Exactly, Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world and the highest peak in India. Now, the Himalayas extend from the Indus River in the west to the Brahmaputra River in the east. It is about 2,500 kilometers, and the Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges from north to the south. These are Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. Now we will study about the northern plains. The northern plains occupy the greater part of northern India. The northern plains of India are made up of fine slit brought by the rivers coming from the Himalayas in the north and central highlands in the south. This fertile slit is called alluvium. The northern plains can be divided into three parts: the Rajasthan plains, the Ganga basin, and the Brahmaputra valley. Students, now we will study the peninsular plateaus. The peninsular plateaus are located towards the south of the northern plains. It is roughly triangular in shape. To the north are the Aravallis, the Vindhyas, the Satpuras and the Rajmahal hills. The average height of the plateau ranges from 600 meter to 900 meter, and the slope is from west to east. The plateaus are made up of igneous and metamorphic rocks. They are an undulating surface with low hills and rounded tops. Narmada River divides the entire plateau region into two parts, that is the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Now students, we will study about the last topic, that is the coastal plains. The Deccan Plateau is bounded by coastal plains in the east and the west, as you can see in the map of India. They run about 6,100 kilometers from Rann of Kutch to the west to West Bengal in the east. The western and the eastern coastal plains meet at a common point, that is Kanyakumari, and the southernmost tip of Indian mainland. The eastern coast is little broader than the western coast. And last is the islands. Apart from several islands found along the coast of India, there are two main group of islands, that is the Lakshadweep Island, that is in the Arabian Sea, and the other is the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands, that is in the Bay of Bengal. Minicoy, with an area of about 5 square centimeter, is the largest island in Lakshadweep group, and Andaman Nicobar group stretches for a distance of 600 kilometers. Most of these islands are mountainous and covered with thick forest. That's all for now, students. Hurry up and do the book exercise and learn all the answers. And be back soon and catch up with me with the next video. Okay? All the best. Bye.